Sound waves are everywhere around us, from when we play instruments, when we're listening to our teacher talk in a class discussion,
Low. I think you guys get it. High, low. High.
and even to our little siblings screaming at us.
Wow, that kid has some very intense sounds. On a decibel scale, that would be a 10. Sound waves are basically a type of longitudinal wave. Now, what is that, you may ask? Well, they basically look like this.
Do you know the speakers you use when you blast music in your room? Well, when the speaker vibrates, it creates a disturbance around the medium, and that is what we call a sound wave.
These waves travel in the form of compressions, and refractions, which look like this.
If you look at a visual graph which demonstrates how sound waves travel, they'd look like this.
We can say that this demonstrates a sound wave because if you look closely, that's the direction a molecule of air travels in.
The maximum displacement of that air molecule is what we call the amplitude. Remember, amplitudes aren't the entire displacement, but just the maximum from the equilibrium position.
Well, now that we know amplitude, what is wavelength and its relevance to the sound we hear all around us?
Good question, Sam. Well, remember earlier we talked about the refractions and compressions in longitudinal waves? In a sound wave, the length of the successive compressions and refractions are wavelengths.
That's cool, but did you know that wavelengths of sound frequencies audible to the human ear are 20 Hz to 20 kHz?
That's some nice trivia, Sam. That's some nice trivia, Sam. I believe I have to go now. I need to listen to some music.
Wait, we can listen together. How about some Corpse?
Yes, please.
No quiero estar aquí. Woe is me, lapel through feet. She still want me.
This is such a good song. His pitch is so low.
Wait, what's that again?
Good that you asked, Jessie. Pitch is basically the degree of the highness or lowness of a tone.
Well, then what's that frequency word we've been hearing about?
Well, the pitch of a sound depends on the frequency, while the loudness of the sound depends on the amplitude of the sound waves.
So low frequency, low pitch, and high frequency, higher pitch?
Yes! Remember that the loudness of a sound has nothing to do with the frequencies, but the amplitude.
Ooh, cool, I get it. And all these sound waves are measured in decibel, right?
Yes!
That's so cool. Sound waves are lit.
Yay!